Alright, I'm ready to paint this piece of drywall. The whole point here is to show you how putting a gray primer beneath a really deep color can actually make that color deeper and stronger. Just went to the store, picked up a sample of this color called Fabulous Red. It's a Valspar color. Got it in a Valspar sample. So I'm just going to paint one coat across this entire piece of drywall, and then when it's dry I'll paint a second coat just to show you how deep and rich that color looks under the gray, over top of the gray primer. Alright, I'll let it dry and make another video.